Welcome to Health and Fitness with a new video. When you're so over having short hair, you might start looking for a quick fix to achieve hair length fast. We all want long, thick and shiny hairs. But for most of us, it seems too difficult to have hairs like that. Many internal factors like aging, hormones, etc. can have an impact on your hair scalp. Hear the prescription of healthy, shiny, thick and long hair with this magic water. What you need for this remedy: 1 cup rice and 1 cup water. Let's make it. Rinse and strain your rice to remove any dirt or impurities that you don't want to apply to your hair. Mix the strained rice in a medium-sized bowl with the water. You should mix until the water becomes pretty cloudy. Strain the rice, this time reserving the water. Store the rice for later, or cook it up. Put the rice water in a container and cover it. Let the rice water sit at room temperature for 12 to 24 hours. This allows it to ferment and all of the yummy vitamins and minerals to come out. Refrigerate the rice water until you're ready to use it. Fill a small container, or shampoo bottle or a small jar, with rice water for application. Keep the rest in your fridge. How to use it. You won't need to change your washing schedule around your rice water rinse, simply use it after shampooing and conditioning, whether that's once a day or once a week. When applying the rice water, try to really focus in on your scalp and work your way out. Let it sit for 2 to 5 minutes, and then rinse. You'll probably notice immediately how strong and thick your hair feels. But the question is rice water good for hair? Yes, it is perfect for hair. Studies show that rice water contains inositol, a carbohydrate that repairs damaged hair. Every possible way, rice water is great for your hair. It is safe, natural, and has absolutely no side effects. It improves the condition of your hair in a healthy manner. Rice water contains starch, which is a complex sugar molecule. These ingredients are key to hair health and are seen in many hair growth products. Results show that rice water has not been proven to help hair grow, but it is possible that it may help hair look shinier and healthier. If you find this video useful, please press like button, share with your friends to watch more video like this, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon and you will be notified when we put a new videos.